Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about depression. Now during coronavirus lockdown, we are getting reports from everywhere that depression in people is increasing. It's on rise. So I'm not going to talk about depression in medical terms. I'm going to talk about depression in nutritional terms. What is depression? It's a kind of deficiency of essential fatty acids which does not produce happy enzymes in our neurotransmitter. In the brain there is neurotransmitter where the happy enzymes are produced, and with that we are taking part in everything and we are happy and we are enjoying life and all that. But during depression time, what happens? That happy enzymes are not produced because there is a deficiency of essential fatty acids. You have to take enough of essential fatty acids in our traditional foods like flax seeds. Now flax seeds can be eaten in 3-4 ways. In South India, they prepare chutneys of flaxseed, like dry chutney, gunpowder sort of thing, which they consume with idli, dosa, pesrattu, uttapam, etc. In North India, people prepare like flaxseed powder or flaxseed and saunf, they grind together and then keep it in their masala box to be added in all the vegetables, curries, etc. when the vegetable or dal or curry is already cooked. So in the last minute after switching off the gas, you add that flaxseed powder, maybe 1 spoonful or what. You should add that powder so that it is not supposed to be cooked too much because it destroys with heating. Third thing, you can make flaxseed mukhwas or mouth freshener with saunf or fennel seeds and flax seeds and dhania ki dal if you have, and whatever you add, that is add-on things, but flaxseed is the main thing in that. Okay, and then you add little bit lime juice or lemon juice, salt and little haldi powder, and marinate it for 15 minutes and then roast it for 10 minutes on a slow fire, and then you can eat it with mukhwas after each of your meal. So that is also a good thing. You should always keep it in airtight container so that it doesn't become soggy again. So like that you can eat it. Of course, now flaxseed, they are used in many ways in the cooking, like chapati. If you are making chapati, you can add flax seeds. If you are making some vegetables or whatever you are making, you can add flax seeds into your cuisine. So flaxseed is one. Second thing is walnut. So walnut, you have to eat 2 walnuts every day. You shouldn't eat more walnuts at a time because they create some kind of heat in the body. So you should eat 2 walnuts a day along with other dry fruits. This way also you will get some essential fatty acids. During coronavirus time, it will make happy enzymes in your brain, and so you will be happy. You will not suffer that much. Then there are essential fatty acids in several other things, but in very limited amount. So earlier we used to make this achar, pickles, right, with all the Indian spices. So mustard seeds was used there. Mustard seeds should not be cooked, should not be splitted in the oil, but when we were putting in the pickles, then we were grinding the mustard seeds, raw mustard seeds, and putting them to make the pickle sour and fermented, right? So this mustard seeds also have lot of omega-3 or essential fatty acids, but not in the splittered. When we do chonk or vaghar or seasoning in the vegetables and other dishes, then we put this mustard seed in the hot oil, then the whole omega destroys. But if they are cooked not in the very high heat but on moderate heat, then it is okay. In Sri Lankan culinary, they also add mustard seeds in their vegetables. Especially I have eaten mustard seeds in their pickles, grinded and put in the pickles, as well as in drumstick. So drumstick curry they prepare with mustard seeds. So lots of mustard seeds they grind and put in this curry of drumsticks, and they cook with coconut milk instead of water and oil. So their dish is entirely different and it tastes so yummy. So that way also they eat mustard seeds. So like that in most of the cultures they might be eating mustard seeds, other seeds which are not too much heated. So that way you can get your omega-3 essential fatty acids. Also you can get little bit of omega-3 from in ALA form, alpha linolenic form, in chia seeds. chia seeds, hemp seeds, these kinds of seeds, they are very ready to use. You can put on your fruit salad, on your vegetable salad, or in any cookery that you're doing. You can just put them, or you can simply put them in water. They will swell in 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can drink the water. It doesn't change the taste of the water, but the water becomes rich with omega-3. So you can protect your health, stay healthy. Please don't go into too much depression, and don't take antidepressants as far as possible, because they are to be taken only for short term, but in long term they have so many side effects. So if you can correct this deficiency by natural things, then is the best thing to do. So please take this and stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.